welcome to the channel. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. Welcome to part 2 of the series of ser versus estar. If you missed the first one, which is the uses of the verb ser, head over to this video that I will link and watch that one first. If you're coming for the second part, welcome. You know the structure of today's lesson. We are going to have a look at the present tense of estar, then we're going to have a look at the uses of estar with a few examples. And let's go. Vamos. Yo estoy. Tú estás. Él, ella, está. Nosotros, nosotras, estamos. Vosotros, vosotras, estáis. Ellos, ellas, están. Brilliant. Now that we've got that out of the way in the present tense, let's have a look at when to use estar. Today I have 5 uses of the verb estar for you with some examples. Let's have a look at number 1. We are going to use estar when we want to express where something or somebody is at this point in time. For example, Melissa is on holiday. Melissa está de vacaciones. We never use ser. We wouldn't say Melissa es vacaciones. So when we want to express where something or somebody is located, we will use estar. For example, estoy en Madrid. I'm in Madrid. Or they are in Barcelona. Ellos están en Barcelona. Número 2, we are going to use estar when we want to express a change, to describe something that has been changed or that is changing at the moment, or that there is something unexpected about them. For example, the coffee is cold. El café está frío. Or for example, Maria looks beautiful in that dress. Maria está guapa con el vestido. So a key takeaway of these is when we want to express how somebody looks in the moment, or we want to make a description which is not an inherent characteristic of a person, like it's tall or it's thin, we are going to use estar. For example, she's pretty right now, está guapa, or for example, Marcos is angry. Marcos está enfadado. Número 3, we are going to use the verb estar with the past participle used as an adjective. For example, the door is closed. La puerta está cerrada. Or the phone is broken. El teléfono está roto. Or my homework isn't finished. Mis deberes no están terminados. If you want me to explain any past participles or any of these points in further detail, please let me know in the comments, because you will help me know what videos to create. But let's continue with number 4. We are going to use the verb estar when we are talking about somebody's health. For example, Marta is sick. Marta está enferma. Or when your granny phones and asks how it's all the family, and we say we are all good. Estamos todos bien. And let's go on to the last one, number 5, número 5, which is that we are going to use the verb estar when we are forming continuous tenses in Spanish. For example, the present continuous tense, which is I am eating. Estoy comiendo. He is doing his homework. Él está haciendo sus deberes. As per the previous lesson with the verb ser, which you haven't seen it, go and check it out. There is a downloadable lesson with today's for a minimal price tag. Buy me a coffee. So head over the link and download today's lesson with the grammar, more examples, exercises for you to practice, and answers so that you can check your own progress. If you like this video and want me to make more videos about this topic or any of these topics inside of this video, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe because I have a video coming in which there are some adjectives that are going to mean different things whether we use it with the verb ser or the verb estar. So until then, nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta pronto.